Hello everyone, it's Elle from gmailfiend once again, and for this video I'll be showing you guys how to add a recovery email in your Gmail account. So the very first thing that you have to do is to of course access your Gmail by going to mail.google.com. So this is the website over here, and once you have this page loaded, then you should be able to follow this simple tutorial. So what you have to do next is to refer to your icon. It is placed at the top corner of your screen, so this serves as your display picture. So once you click that, then this will pop up and you just have to click manage your Google account. So you will be redirected to another page, and once you have that loaded, just go to the security option over here. So this one is the sidebar, just click that and you will see a lot of options, but what you have to do is to scroll all the way down until you find the recovery email button. So if you click that, then you will be redirected to this part and just input your password to verify if the one accessing your security settings is really you. So once you have input your password, just click next. Wait for it to load and you should be able to add in a recovery email. So your recovery email can be any email site. So in this case, I will still use Gmail since most of my accounts are Gmail. So I'll just add in my personal email since this one is a work email. So let's click next. So you will be receiving a verification code in the email that you have inputted. So just wait for the email of the code. So let me just get that. So just type and click verify. So as you can see, it says recovery email verified. So yes, there you go. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you tune in for more.